etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongetorri zuzeneko honetara. Nire hasierako idei izango litzateke lehendabizi zaldia berreskuratzea. Hor dago. Eta Riverrocken omen ez hemen. Venga, benetan, mazit dena pikutara. Ze hostia. Nire itxaron apur bat. Jarriko dugu berriro. Vale. Riverrocken omen ez hemen Orioren kamisetarekin. Bueno, hau eginda jarraituko dugu aurrera eta kamera gelditzen badago ilunpetan, gelditu da dila. Ilunpetan eta a ver. Zer dago hortik. A ver, zer daukagun hemen. Frambuesa bat. Hemen gehiago ditugu. Duenak hemen apur bat gehiago. Badirudi ezetz. Bueno. Sartuko gara bila liberen. Eta gure helburua izango da zonalde hori. Hegoaldera joango gara. Vale. Eta bestaldea joateko nondik joan beharko gara. Ez ditut kasu honetan komandoa jarri. Ez dut argi ikusten ara joateko bidea. Bueno, saiatuko gara. Hala guazen bera. Ez dut uste zuzeneko luze izango zenik naiz eta hasierako plan hori izan. Baina gurasoak eroskira doazenez gero gauzak erostera eta joaten lagundu beharko dut. Beraz, bueno. Joan beharko gara hemendik eta ze sorte patu. Egiragien hortik joan gaitezke. Benetan ez dago zen alderik. Orduan bueltatu beharko gara kanpalekura. Zonalde berri bat. Bale, hau da Blackwater famatu hori. Bale. Baina zonalde horretar ez bagara sartzen, ez genuke arazorik izan beharko gure herrira itzultzeko. Gauza da ez dira misioak agertzen mapan. Txida zue. Bakean. Venga ya. Ja, badaketin naizela. Baina ez dut ulertzen zergaitik. Ja, bale, orain zeru apur bat hor dago. Horiz dago, orduan aukeren man beharko lidaki hori egiteko.
How many?
A lot. Uniforms everywhere.
see Sean?
No, I don't think so.
Damn it. Where's Trelawney?
Who knows?
Just keep your eyes open.
I am.
Vale.
Where is that little Irish bastard?
I'm not quite sure.
No,
Lonnie's off trying to find out.
Anyone been in the Blackwater, see how things lie?
Place is crawling with Pinkertons, bounty hunters, pictures of Dutch and Hosea.
We got a lot of money sitting in that town.
And that's where it's gonna remain for now.
a ver si me uno ahora ahí.
Dang, Sean, I wonder.
I think he's bait. Well, I want to trial him publicly.
Gentlemen, Sean is being moved up the upper Montana, then to a federal prison out west.
Damn. Well, we can't be rescuing people from some federal prison. We either rescue him now or cut him loose.
I'm not cutting anyone loose.
Of course not.
Ike Skelding's boys are moving him to a camp nearby before handing him over to the government.
So, I guess we need to stop them before they get to camp. Charles, why don't you head up on the north side, and we'll head up on the other side of the valley and meet you. That way we have them in either direction. Javier, Josiah, come on. Let's go see.
No, what's...
You know, Arthur, the government, or people whom the government like, seem to be very angry.
Sure, well, we'll rescue Sean and then we'll get ourselves lost, good and proper. It's a big country.
I hope so.
Vale, me da dos hurricane.
Let's see if we can track down this boat.
Keep your eyes open for Pinkertons. They got patrols out all over this area.
Yes, south of the river, West Elizabeth isn't a very welcoming place right now.
It's definitely as bad as we feared in there, Arthur.
I keep hearing about this woman, Heidi McCourt. Some young mother, they're saying, Dutch murdered on the boat.
I don't know about that. I wasn't there. Bad day.
And no money yet, it seems. I hope you know where that is, at least.
Dutch and Hosea say they do, but it's trapped in the town.
Oh, it must be wonderful to
Darán.
have such trust in one's parents. Mine would have sold me for a hogshead of ale. In fact, I think they tried. We'll be able to see much more from up here, dear boy.
Huh?
There, look. I think that's our boat. All right, gentlemen. Follow me.
Vale, ne de one.
Keep your guns away until we know it's Sean, okay? I know what you two are like.
You think they can see us?
If they can, we're just three fellas out on the trail. Act natural. We'll be fine.
So, you've been gone for a while.
Much as I love dodging the law and sleeping in the dirt with you derelicts, I do have other business to attend to.
What happened in New York?
You know how life is. Never a straight road anywhere.
Especially with you.
Nice to know I'm missed, though. Have you run out of people to rob?
Oh, we'll never run out of people to rob.
But without me, you'll not find the caliber of victim that I find. Come on, let's keep them in sight.
You all right, Javier? You're quiet.
He hasn't stopped talking since we left you in Valentine. It's the longest ride of my life.
Cute, dear boy. Very cute.
No hacen con tus...
Push up, come on. Apparently, there's a camp somewhere around here where the bounty hunters meet and transfer before continuing out west. I imagine that's where they're headed.
Pues no vengo plana.
Look, they've stopped. Get your binoculars out. Let's see what we're dealing with here.
LV.
So who are these bounty hunters?
I don't know too much about Ike Skelton's boys, but I hear they're a big crew, wild, built some reputation in the last year or two.
That looks like Sean to me.
Certainly kicking up enough of a fuss. Yep, that's definitely Sean.
Oh, they're giving him a decent kicking.
Well, you can only imagine the shit he's been giving them.
Oh yes.
They're taking him up the canyon.
There's Charles on the other side. Let's go.
What about the other two down there?
I've got an idea. Follow me.
Ya.
We should do this quietly if we can.
Leave it to me, gentlemen. I'll go around and create a distraction. Then you two sneak across and do the dirty on them.
Okay. Get your knife ready. Keep your head down. Stay here.
Vale.
Get in the river. Wait until he's got them off guard before crossing.
La sé.
Hold up, he's doing his thing.
Gentlemen, excuse me. Dear brothers, my wife is taken ill. Gravely ill.
What's the problem?
It's dear Bessie.
You take the one on the left. Let's go now. Keep down.
I'm beside myself.
Ay, ay.
If I lose
Vas en
Bessie, I
contus.
lose everything.
Calm down, mister.
I can't I'm having a fit.
God damn it, Arthur! Come on, let's get up there.
A pleasure as always, gentlemen. I think you have it from here.
Come on. We got two halfway up the canyon to deal with.
Que lindo those boots you got there, eh? Those are very nice. Who's the guy you got them from? Is he alive still?
Come on! We need to get past these sons of bitches! You stay the hell back! Shit, look out! We got visitors! Shoot him, Arthur! Get up there! Ay, Dios mío! Let's go!
Kaka. Joder, Riberro, justo joan zait pikutara, eso, horrelakorik ez daukat. Vale. Orain blokeatu zait kama, ba oso ondo.
Keep your head down. Stay here.
A ver, laban hartu behar dugu. Vale.
Let's get in the river. Wait until he's got them off guard before crossing. Wait here. He's still reeling them in.
Gentlemen, excuse me.
Baina kama gelditu zait izoztuta. Baina bueno.
Bravely ill.
What's the problem?
It's dear Bessie.
A ver, saiatuko naiz berriro ongi jartzen, kama.
Hey, come on.
A ver,
Myself. If I lose Bessie, I lose
vale, badirudi berriro ondo jarri dela.
I can't. I'm having a fit.
God damn it, Arthur! Okay, let's get after him. We're gonna
Itxaron,
have to shoot our way up there.
lehenengo lapurtuko dizkiegu gauzak.
A pleasure as always, gentlemen. I think you have it from here.
Shoot him, Arthur!
Jo, gainera, tiroka hasi behar naiz.
Were you... What are you waiting for? Shoot! Move, Arthur!
Gero lauretan egongo da ardo beltza jokatzen Sims 4. Ni hasi aurrerago zuzenekoa, gurasoa joan direlako eroskira eta orduan joan behar naiz apur bat laguntzera. Etortzen direnean. A ber, Arthur, horra ez. A ber. Ez genituzke laburtu behar gauza hauek. Vale. Bueno, punteri ez da nire gauzarik onena, kaso honetan. Bueno. Saiatzen naiz alik eta hobekinen egiten. Vale. Kontrol gunetik. Askotan hilko naiz joko honetan, ez naiz oso ona. Baina beno. Tren hasi behar gara berriro hasieratik. A ver.
What's the problem?
It's dear Bessie.
You take the one on the left. Let's go now. Keep down.
I'm beside myself. If I lose Bessie, I lose everything.
Calm down, mister.
I can't. I'm having a fit.
Okay, let's get after him.
A pleasure as
ver.
always, gentlemen. I think you have it from here.
Come on. We got two halfway up the canyon to deal with. Qué lindo los boots you got there, eh? Those are very nice. Who's the guy you got them from? Is he alive still? Come on, focus. Oh. Focus, okay.
Eta gure laguna.
I can't wait to get back home again.
We're gonna have to shoot our way up there. Who the hell are they? Shit! Look out, we got big ones. Come on, let's move. Go!
A ver, Arthur, nora zoaz.
Get up there! Let's push up! Go on horses! Another one on the cliff, you see him? There's Charles! Quick! Come on, let's get up there. Hey, watch out for these two!
Vale, ezingo ditugu sakeatu. Vale.
All good? Wouldn't go that far. The camp's up this way. Come on.
Speed control gune bat izan dela honako hau. Eta berriro hasieratik ez gara.
Outside, Charles, you go right, okay?
I guess.
Take him down!
Goddamn army of these bastards. How much is Sean's bounty? Maybe we should turn him in ourselves. Still time. Kill the son of a bitch.
Let's push forward! On top of the tower, who's got a shot on him?
Va. Ez dut ikusten.
Come on! I don't believe it. There's more of them!
Hold that ship to the left, by the tree.
Hala,
Arthur.
barregarra izan da.
You know, you're a lot less ugly from that other
Vale,
angle,
hartu dugu gure helburua.
Do we get a hug, Arthur? A warm embrace for a lost brother now found.
You know, nothing means more to me than this gang. The bond we share. It's the most real thing to me. I would kill for it, I would happily die for it. But in spite of all of that, I would have easily left you here to rot if Charles hadn't stopped me.
I don't believe a word of that, Arthur.
Get him out of here.
You're a great man, Arthur Morgan. The kind of young whippersnapper can really admire.
Shut up. Right, we should split up. Javier, will you escort Mr. McGuire back to camp? Charles, best you ride separately. Be careful. There's patrols everywhere.
What about you?
I'm gonna see what's worth taking here. I'll meet you back there as soon as I can.
Vale, goazen saiatzera.
Okay, come on. Have I got stories for you? Yeah, I can't wait. I imagine y'all missed me a lot, but fear not, the joy's back in your lives now.
Goazen gauzak lapurtzera. Urren arte, Riverrock.
Hold still or you die.
Come
Next
on,
words from
let's
me
just talk
coming
this
out of
through.
a gun. Hands up!
Venga ya, falta zitzaidan ya.
Gonna make buzzer beat out of you.
Venga ya. Denbora gehiago naiz hor. Vale. Jarraituko dugu aurrera. Ja, bueno, vale. Oso ondo. Vale, jarraituko dugu historiarekin aurrera. Naiz eta gauza asko galdu ditugun. Orain nator. Bueno, deitu egin naute eta normala den moduan, erantzun behar izan dut. Beraz joango gara aurrera. Bada espeda hobe inorekin ez bagaren topatzen. A ber, guazten aurrera ba. Orduan nora joango gara. Hobe da kanpalekura itzuli eta hasi berriro zerotik. Vale, guazen. Vale, ez da gurrun. Eta joango gara apur bat no egiten.
Don't you worry, Miss Grimshaw, you old
Arthur!
crone.
Oh, Arthur!
You seem in a good mood.
I am, son. I am. Let's have some fun. Tonight. Let's enjoy ourselves.
We having a
No egingo dugu, edatzi ordu.
Just a little one.
great?
Now, Deadeye Maguire's back. Don't worry.
Zer topatzen dugun orain.
Hey, Arthur.
What
Ea orain.
Uncle told me something about a train.
What did he say?
Mary Beth overheard something about a train full of wealthy folk going down through Scarlet Meadows just south of the state border.
Yes.
Need help with it?
I ain't even sure about doing it.
Come on. At night, not too guarded, it's perfect.
Nah, I ain't thought it through. Stopping a train, pain in the ass.
Sure. But what if we could force a train to stop?
Well, of course.
We get a wagon full of something flammable, oil. Put it on the tracks. They see it. They know they either have to stop or die. Ain't no train driver wants to be cooked alive.
That is kind of brilliant. For you. And that is a real idea. I think that's the first time you ever had one of them.
Shut up.
You might be the first bastard to ever have half his brains eaten by a wolf and end up more intelligent.
So we doing it?
Yeah, we're gonna need ammunition, guns, look real frightening, and some dynamite to open up the train.
I'll get the supplies. Gotta head into town for Abigail anyway. Don't even ask. You go find us an oil wagon.
Yeah, I know just the place. They're always heading into that refinery.
There's an old rundown shack just over the border, north of a place called Dewberry Creek. Leave it hidden somewhere near there.
Hala.
I ain't never touching liquor again.
Orduan, mapa. Guazen. Goizeko argi horiek. Ez dago txarto.
Look out!
Mala guazen. Begira, herri bat.
Hey, partner.
So up.
This here's private property.
It's all good. Calm down.
This ain't a public attraction. Move along. Keep on marching. This is it. Your final warning. What you got there? That's it. Turn back.
Knew you didn't have to go.
I'm gonna end you. You ain't the first man I've killed.
What the hell, bud?
Gonna be a shallow grave for you, tenderboy. Ah!
Caca. Ya, bueno. A ver. Ala, berriz egin naute eta diruak kenduko diate, vale, oso ondo. Oso txarra naiz hemen, misio hauetan.
Yeah. Move. Idiot.
A ver. ¡Venga ya! Siendo siniestro, tío. Dirurik gabe gelditu naiz azkenean.
Yep.
Mapan.
Giddy up. Wait a minute there. I need to have a word with you. Get off of my ranch.
No, ah.
Yep. Giddy up.
Vai tässä ikusten.
Yep. Yep. Up. Giddy up. Yep. Up. Yep. Yep.
Venga ya. A ver. A ver.
Yep. Yep.
¿Eh? A ver, a ver, a ver, a ver, a ver.
Yep.
A ver. Hostia. Irtengo naiz berriro ez durako egin behar duan ulertzen. Berdin zait. Vale. Zer egin behar dut. A ver. Guazen. Vale, azkenean. Ufa. Zero nau jarriko dut hemen bada espada mobila. Deitzen banaute edo. Azkenean lortu dugu, vale.
Okay, easy.
La gorrika desertuan zehar, oso ondo. Hemendik badirudi ez dela jenderik pasatzen. Vale, guazen.
All right, boy.
A ver, John Marston ikustera joango gara. Ikusten bagaituzte.
It's me.
Wondered when you'd roll back in.
Throw it up.
A ver.
Yeah.
Leave me alone.
What are you doing, Jack?
Throwing rocks at the old Driscoll?
Why?
Because he's an old Driscoll. He always said that was bad.
Leave him alone. Go on, away with you.
But you
Hey,
said...
get away
What's
with
that,
you. Leave the rock throwing to the grown-ups. Why do you do this? So that's it? I hear you saved Mr. Bell from a hanging.
You busy, Arthur?
I'm sorry.
Well, I suppose he'd do the same for you.
Exactly.
We're all in this together, Mr. Morgan. I know you know that.
Of course, Miss Grimshaw. John?
Let's get on.
Good. And you?
Got everything we need.
Good. I think we need another man. Charles?
I'll go get him. Meet us at the wagon when you can.
Sure.
See, Arthur? Ain't that dumb.
Next time, let the wolves eat all your brain. Then you'll be a genius.
Oh. Ow.
Hey, Arthur! What you want?
Hey, Arthur. Come here a minute.
What
A ver, ¿qué canción es eso?
Can I ask you a favor?
Probably not.
Very funny. Would you do something with Jack? He seems kind of down. All this upheaval can't have been easy on the poor kid.
Why? Because I'm your preferred nursemaid?
Because he likes you, and, well, you know his father's useless.
Okay.
Thank you.
Tienes que rico Juan Emendik, joder. Apur bat putada.
What you up to?
Playing,
Anything fun?
I guess.
You want to come fishing with me?
Fishing?
Sure. You're... It's about time that you started to earn your keep.
Okay,
Good. Let's go get your pole in. Now, you do have a fishing pole, don't you?
I sure do. Uncle Jose made me one.
Good. Well, let's go get it then. Go catch us some fish.
Yeah.
I'll mount up and lift you on when you're ready. All right. Let's go then.
So, where are we going?
Just down to the river near here. You shouldn't go too far from camp.
Oh, okay.
Feeling better? Know you was a little sick.
Oh, I'm fine.
You're a brave kid.
So, just like you.
Well, I don't know about brave. ain't much of a kid no more. Well, your mama might disagree. Her and a few other women, I guess.
What do you mean?
I'm just talking silly. Been a tough few weeks up in that snow.
I like the snow.
Yes, but not like that.
When are we going back to the other camp?
The one near Blackwater?
Yeah.
Well, we're not. This is our spot. For now, anyway. Why?
I forgot a storybook there. We left so quick.
Well, I'm sure someone can get you another storybook.
Really? When?
Well, we'll see. Got fish to catch first. Alright? This looks as good a spot as any.
Vale, goazen arrantza egitera apur bat.
Where should we stand, Uncle Arthur?
Down by the shore. Come on, follow me.
You show me where, Uncle Arthur. Are you waiting for something? Where's your pole, Uncle? Arthur? You can't fish without a pole.
First, we need some bait.
LB.
I'm gonna use some cheese.
Cheese?
Bellier the better. Now, cast your line. Swing the rod back over your shoulder and bring it forward in a smooth motion.
Vale.
Use your wrist, not your elbow.
Like that?
That's it. Good. All we do now, Jack, is wait for a fish to take the bait.
How do I know when I've got a bite?
Well, if you feel the tip of your fishing rod just twitching, don't yank it yet. That just means one's nibbling. If you feel a hard tug, that's a fish going for the bait, so yank hard to hook it.
You've got a bite, Uncle Arthur?
There we go.
Pull him in!
See him fighting there, Jack? That's when you gotta be careful. You'll break the line. Best to wear him out first before you try to reel him in. Well, seems like he's taking a rest now. I'm gonna try reeling him in nice and steady.
This is a great fishing spot.
Don't jinx it, kid. You okay there?
I think so. This is hard. Why am I not catching any?
Just be patient.
My arms are tired.
You're all right.
Ah,
You know, this reminds me. I taught another boy to fish once, a long time ago.
You mean Lenny?
No. No, this was long before I met Lenny. Long before you was even born.
arrain bat harrapatu dugu.
Look,
Wow.
Jack, it's a bluegill. almost as small as you. We should really throw these smaller ones back. Give them a chance to grow up a bit.
Can I take a break from fishing? I want to make something.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick some of those red flowers. I'll be right back.
Got one, Jack. You gotta stick at things, Jack.
I know.
This one's a chain pickerel. Not bad.
Fishing sure is boring, Uncle Arthur.
I know. Boring as hell. But then, something happens. And you can get food for days.
Really?
If you're lucky. But until then, you just sit and wait.
Oh.
Try not to worry. It's good for you,
It's good for you?
I guess.
Hey, look at this.
And what?
This necklace I made.
Necklace?
For Mama.
Sure.
What a fine young man. And in such complex circumstances. Arthur, isn't it? Arthur Morgan?
Who are you?
Yes, Arthur Morgan. Vanderlyn's most trusted associate. Read the files. Typical case. Orphaned street kid seduced by that maniac's silver tongue and matures into a degenerate murderer. Agent Milton? Agent Ross. Pinkerton Detective Agency. Seconded to the United States.
Hala.
Nice to finally meet. You know a lot about you.
Do you?
You're a wanted man, Mr. Morgan. $5,000 for your head alone.
$5,000? For me? Can I turn myself in?
We want Vanderlyn.
Old Dutch. I haven't seen him for months.
That's so. Because I heard a guy fitting his description robbed a train belonging to Leviticus Cornwall up near Granite Pass.
Hala.
Ain't that a little old-fashioned nowadays?
Apparently not. Listen. This is my offer, Mr. Morgan. Bring in Vanderlyn. You have my word you won't swing.
Oh, I ain't gonna swing anyways, Agent.
Milton.
You see, I haven't done anything wrong, aside from not play the games to your rules.
Spare me the philosophy lesson. I've already heard it from Mac Callender.
Orain nator.
Mac Callan.
Berriro ere.
He was pretty shot up by the time I got to him. So really, it was more of a mercy killing. Slow, but merciful.
You enjoy being a rich man's toy, dear.
I enjoy society, flaws and all. You people venerate savagery, and you will die. Savagely, all of you.
Oh, we're all gonna die, Agent.
Some of us sooner than others. Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Goodbye.
Enjoy your fishing, kid, while you still can.
Who are they?
No one to worry about, no one at all. Come on, let's pick up your things and get home. It's getting late, Jack. Your mother'll be worried. Let's head back.
Can we go now, please? taking me back? I don't like it here anymore.
Hala, jarraitu dut aurrera. Gero ikusi beharko dute zer gertatu den. Vale, uste dut joango gara kanpalekura eta utziko dudala hor.
Why did you lie about where Uncle Dutch is?
Because those are disagreeable men, and I don't want them to hurt him.
What did they mean about Mac? Is he in jail?
No, I don't think so. I hope he's just fine where he is. Like I said, don't worry about them. The world is full of disagreeable men. That's why you got all of us to protect you from folk like them. Now, how about that necklace you made? You still got it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Well, did you like fishing?
It was okay, I think. It's a lot of waiting around.
It is.
Benetan punto horretara joan behar... Venga, ya.
There you are. How you boys getting on?
Great. We caught a fish, and I made you this necklace.
Ain't that pretty? I'm the luckiest. Did you thank Uncle Arthur?
No need. We had a good time.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just met some folk. I better go speak with Dutch.
Okay.
Hey, you did real fine, kid.
Bendito do wow.
We got a problem. What? I just met some guys out near the river. A fella named Milton and I don't remember the other fella's name. Ross. Milton and Ross. And they are employees of the Pinkerton Detective Agency. And they know about the train and they know we're here.
Were you followed back here?
No, they know we're near here. They want you, Dutch. They offered me my freedom in exchange, they did.
Why didn't you take it?
Very funny. Well, what do we do now?
I say we do nothing. Just yet. They're just trying to scare us into doing something stupid. We have turned a corner. We survived them mountains. We just need to stay calm.
Pinkertons, did you?
Saw, met,